Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Install kdenlive with the following command. Also, you can install it with the PPA method. First, import kdenlive PPA with the following command for stable release. Also, you can install it for the development version with the next command. Once it's imported, one of the above options run the apt-get command to reflect the newly imported PPAs. Finally, install it with the next command. To check if installation goes well, go into your desktop. There you will find kdenlive by icon or by system search bar. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.